S.S. Raghuvanshi presents the complete knowledge. Human body, the complex machine. Body basics. The human body is a fantastically complicated machine made from millions of different parts, all packed tightly together beneath the skin. To understand how the body works, you need to look inside and see how is the parts fit and work together to make us living, breathing, thinking human beings. Buildings a body. Just as a building is made from thousands of bricks stacked carefully together, the human body is constructed from simple parts that fit together in an organized way. Small living units called cells are joined together much like bricks to form large structure called tissues, which are used in turn to build organs and organ systems. Atoms and molecules. The smallest individual part in the body are atoms and molecules. The DNA molecule stores the instruction needed to build and maintain the body. Cells. Every part of body is made up of a tiny living units called cells. There are 75 trillion cells in the human body. Most are specialized to do specific jobs, from storing fat to carrying nervous signals. Tissues. Cells join in our groups to form tissues. The wall of the heart, for instance, is made up of a special kind of muscle tissue. Other tissues include skin, fat, and bone. Organ. Tissue join together to form organs such as the heart, stomach, or brain. Organs perform a specific job. The heart's job is to pump blood around the body. Now, system. Organs work together in systems. The heart is a part of the circulatory system along with blood vessels and blood. Now we are going to body systems. The organs and tissues that make up your body organize into groups that doctors call systems. Each system does a particular job. Digestive system, for example, breaks down food into nutrients that your body can absorb. Your circulatory system transports these nutrients and other vital chemicals around the body. Some of the main body systems are shown below. Nervous system. The systems allows your body to react with the speed. Thousands of nerves run through the body, carrying electric signals to the end from the brain. Some nerves bring signals from sense organs to the brain. Others send signals to muscles to make the body react. Now other system is respiratory system. All your body cells need a supply of life-giving oxygen, which comes from air as respiratory system is jobs to take in oxygen and pass it to the blood. The main organ in the system are the lungs, which sucks in air when you breathe. Next, circulatory system. The heart, blood, and a network of blood vessels make up the circulatory systems. It's a job to transport vital supplies such as oxygen and food molecules around the body. Blood also carries away waste chemicals for disposal. Next, digestive system. Everything you eat passes through your digestive system. A long complicated tube that runs from your mouth to your anus The organ of the digestive system broke down the large molecules in food into smaller molecules your body can absorb. Next, reproductive system. This body system works only during adulthood and is different in a man and woman. Its job is to produce babies. Male sex cells from a massive reproductive system joined with female sex cells inside a woman's reproductive system and grow into a baby. Next, muscular system. Muscles are what make you move. Your largest muscles work with the pulling on the bones to move to a skeletal and give to run gym time you are lashes or kick a ball muscles. Also keep your heart beating and churn the food inside your stomach. Immune system. The immune system's job is to keep you healthy by fighting off germs, microscopic organisms that can cause disease. Any germs that get inside your body are attacked by white blood cells, which patrol the blood and the tissues for invaders. The skeletal systems. Now we are going to skeletal systems. The skeleton system is a tough living framework of bones that support the weight of your body and protect the delicate internal organs such as the brain and heart. The skeleton and muscular system work together to move your body. What's the body made of? The human body is made almost entirely from just a handful of simple chemical elements. Among the most abundant elements in the body are oxygen and hydrogen, which make up border molecules. Our bodies are about 60% water. Some elements including sodium, magnesium and iron are essential for life, but is needed in only very small amount. Body elements. By mass, the human body is 65% of oxygen. The next most abundant element is carbon, which form the backbone of all organic molecules such as carbohydrate, protein and fats. Oxygen 60%, 65%, carbon 18% and hydrogen 10%, nitrogen 3%, calcium 2% and others are 2%. Thanks dear for watching my channel SS Raghuvanshi The Complete Knowledge. Please like, subscribe and play well.